Hey good food lovers, today we're making something truly elegant. Beef Wellington with a truffle red wine sauce. A golden flaky pastry wrapped around tender beef fillet, filled with wild mushrooms and herbs, and served with a rich glossy truffle sauce. Let's get started. Here I've got a 1.3 pound beef fillet or tenderloin, the star of this dish. Season well with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Drizzle over a touch of oil. Then sear the beef quickly on all sides until it's just brown, about 30 seconds per side. Once the outside is beautifully seared, set it aside to cool completely. Then brush it generously with Dijon mustard. This adds that signature sharp flavor and helps everything stick later on. Now let's make the mushroom Duxelles, the rich earthy filling that surrounds the beef. You'll need 18 ounces of wild mushrooms, roughly chopped. Finely chop 2 to 3 shallots and saute them with the mushrooms in butter over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of thyme leaves, a tablespoon of chopped parsley, and a spoon of garlic paste. Cook this mixture slowly until all the moisture has evaporated and it's soft, dark, and fragrant. Finally, stir in that fresh parsley, then transfer the Duxelles to a bowl to cool completely. Now for the wrap, lay out 12 slices of prosciutto, slightly overlapping to form a rectangle large enough to cover the beef. Spread the cold mushroom Duxelles evenly over the prosciutto, right to the edges. Then place the cold, dry beef fillet at the base. Using the plastic wrap, roll it up tightly into a neat cylinder, twisting the ends to secure it. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour so it firms up and holds its shape. While that chills, let's make our thyme crêpe. This thin layer helps keep everything together and prevents moisture from soaking into the pastry. In a bowl, whisk 2 eggs, 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and half a tablespoon of chopped thyme leaves until smooth. Cook the batter in a large non-stick pan to make one thin, even crêpe. Let it cool completely. Now, lay a new sheet of plastic wrap and place the thyme crêpe on top. Set the ham-wrapped beef in the center and roll again, wrapping tightly in plastic. Refrigerate for another hour. Next comes the pastry. Unroll pure butter puff pastry, large enough to fully enclose the beef. Remove the chilled beef from the wrap and place it on the pastry. Wrap it tightly, sealing the edges well and placing the seams side down on a parchment-lined baking tray. Whisk together 2 egg yolks, a tablespoon of water, and a pinch of salt for the egg wash. Brush the entire pastry with the wash for that golden shine. If you'd like, use leftover pastry to cut small decorative shapes, like leaves, and place them on top. Brush them with egg wash too, so they bake beautifully glossy. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and bake for 15 minutes. Then reduce the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and bake for another 30 minutes, or until the pastry is golden and crisp. Now for the finishing touch, the Truffle Red Wine Sauce. In a small saucepan, add 1 to 2 minced shallots, one cup of red wine, half a cup of Madeira or port, and 10 crushed black peppercorns. Bring it to a boil and reduce until about 1/4 of the liquid remains. Add 2 cups of beef stock and boil again for 3 minutes. Strain the sauce, then return it to the pan. Mix a spoon of cornstarch with a splash of stock and whisk it in to thicken. Stir in a tablespoon of butter and finish with a spoon of truffle paste or freshly grated truffle for that luxurious aroma. Finally, slice the beef Wellington into thick pieces, that beautiful pink center wrapped in golden layers. Spoon over the warm truffle sauce and serve immediately. Elegant, rich, and absolutely show-stopping. This beef Wellington is a true masterpiece. If you love this recipe, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more of our fine dining style dishes made simple.